In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your own voice into AI voice using CapCut. Alright, so I'm going to show you an example first. This is my voice.
Here are some key strategies to improve your relationship. 1. Practice active listening. 2. Communicate openly and honestly. 3. Show empathy and understanding.
Alright, let me show you the AI voice.
Here are some key strategies to improve your relationship. 1. Practice active listening. 2. Communicate openly and honestly. 3. Show empathy and understanding.
Alright, as you can see, my voice has turned into an AI voice just by using CapCut. So I'm going to show you the tutorial. First of all, let me open up CapCut. So what you want to do is that you want to upload your own videos or photos. So for the sake of this example, I'm going to go to library here. Let me just add the video from the CapCut library. Let me add one more. Relationship. Okay, let's say this is the one that we use. Now you need an audio. So what I did is that I produced my own audio using my mobile phone, using my iPhone, and I just send the file to my MacBook. Okay, so this is the audio that I made.
Here are some key strategies to improve your relationship. 1. Practice active listening.
So
2.
that's
Communicate openly and honestly. 3. Show empathy and understanding.
So that's my audio. So you can record your own voice, and then later we're gonna translate it, or you can use other people's voices as well, or you can use even other text-to-speech voices, and then we're gonna convert it to the text-to-speech from CapCut. So I'm gonna import the audio. So this is the audio. I'm gonna drag it down here. Alright, this is the audio. Let me clean up the footage. And what we want to do is that we want to add text. In order to add text to speech on CapCut, you need text or caption. So we can go to text right here, and then we can generate auto caption. And then you can just generate it right there. Depending on your language, you can change your language. Nice. So now we have our text. One thing to bear in mind, you want to combine these, guys. If you have separate text, the text to speech will only read until this part, like improve, and then it will pause. So if you don't want the awkward pause, you have to combine this. Okay, let me cut this section. I will go back here and then I will paste it. Okay.
1.
Okay, so I mentioned 1 here, so I need to drag this one to right here, and this one I gotta drag it so it match with the audio wavelength at the bottom.
Practice active listening. 2.
And if you see there is number, usually you need to put a period, okay, or full stop. If not, the AI voice will not pause. Okay, they will just straight away talk without the pause. Same thing here. We should have a full stop or period after the number, and that's how you do it. Now what we want is that we can go to the text. Okay, highlight the text, guys. Make sure you highlight all the text. Okay, all the text, and then on the top right hand side you will see text to speech, and right here you can choose any voices that you want. Let me select English. They have a ton of AI voices that you can try, but for the sake of the example, I'm gonna just use Jessie. Okay, so click on Jesse, and then we'll click on generate speech. As simple as that, guys. Okay, and now let me mute my voice. So this is my original voice. I'm gonna mute it by clicking on this mute track, and then if I play the video.
Here are some key strategies to improve your relationship. 1. Practice active listening. 2. Communicate openly and honestly. 3. Show empathy and understanding.
Now the text is kind of sucks, right? If you want to edit the text, you can go back to text and you can play around with it. I don't know, you can play around with the templates here if you want to. Let me just choose the free one. Now CapCut has a lot of pro function, but if you are free user, I think it will work just fine, guys. Okay, you don't have to force yourself to buy the pro version, because it's almost the same thing.
Here are some key strategies to improve your relationship. 1. Practice active listening. 2. Communicate openly and honestly. 3. Show empathy and understanding.
So as you can hear, that is how we do it, guys. Remember, the first job we need is that we need the audio first. This is my original audio.
Here are some key strategies to improve your relationship. 1.
Wait, I haven't muted this one.
Practice active listening. 2. Communicate openly and
So you remember the step, right? So you have your own audio, and then you generate auto caption, and then you mute your audio, and then it will be using the AI voice. If this tutorial is helpful, guys, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and share it to your friends. If it is helpful, you can play around with this. You can prank your friends if you want to using this. You can use your own videos, or you can use other people's videos. Same thing with audio. You can record your own audio using your phone microphone, or you can use other people's audio, or you can even use text to speech, and you can generate the text using ChatGPT or DeepSeek. It's very customizable, depending on your situation. Once done, you can click on export here, and then you can rename this whatever you want, and then you can click on export.
Here are some key strategies.
And everything should be working. All right, thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video.